Is your right Joy-Con disconnecting on its own whether wireless or attached? This often happens because of Bluetooth signal problems, issues with the rail connection, or bugs in the controller's firmware. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix this disconnecting problems for good. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold the power button on top of your switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach your right Joy-Con by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Reattach it to your switch. This clears up minor bugs or signal drops. Solution 2. Reset the controller sync. Go to the home menu on your switch, find and open System Settings, scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll to the bottom and choose Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen instructions to unpair all Joy-Cons. Now detach your Joy-Cons and resync them by sliding them onto the switch rails until they click. Once reconnected, remove them again and check if they now pair properly in wireless mode. Solution 3. Update System and Controllers. Go back to System Settings, scroll down to System, now select System Update. Make sure your switch is on the latest firmware, then go back up to Controllers and Sensors and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fix syncing problems. I hope this video helped you out. If you want more easy to follow tutorials and fixes for your Nintendo Switch, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.